Okay, electrostatics. When a balloon is rubbed with a cloth, the balloon becomes negatively charged. Tick 2 correct statements. Okay, so we've got a balloon here, gets rubbed with a cloth, right? Now the cloth will become positively charged, okay, if the balloon is becoming negatively charged, because you can't create and destroy charge, it has to always balance, okay? So, negatively charged particles move from the cloth onto the balloon. That's correct, yes, because those particles are electrons, right? You're rubbing electrons off the cloth onto the balloon. Positively charged particles are rubbed off the balloon. No, I can understand why you might be tricked into thinking that, because if positive particles did move from the balloon, it would leave behind a negative charge and the cloth would become positively charged. But it's electrons that move, okay? There's no particle that's positively charged that moves, okay? It's the electrons that move and they're negatively charged, so that's not correct. Negatively charged particles on the balloon are protons. No. Protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. Okay, so that means this last one must be correct. The cloth becomes positively charged. Indeed it does. Okay, well there we go. Right. When petrol passes through a delivery pipe here, electrostatic charge can build up. Yes, it can. Give a reason why this can be dangerous. Okay, well, it's pretty obvious, right? 1 mark. Whenever you get a build-up of electrostatic charge, there's a risk of a spark. Okay, and in the presence of petrol, that's clearly bad news because you can have a fire. Okay, 1 mark. State how the build-up of electrostatic charge can be prevented. 1 mark. Okay, well, in a word, okay, it's earthing. Okay, but to say a bit more, ideally you want to earth both the can here, or if that's like the petrol tank of a car or something, and the delivery pipe. I think at a minimum you should earth the delivery pipe. So earth as many things as you can, because then the charge can be sent into earth and it won't become charged. Good. Okay. Coffee granules gain an electrostatic charge as they pass through a funnel into a container. Explain in terms of charges why the granules spread out. 2 marks. Okay. Well, you don't know whether the granules are becoming positively charged or negatively charged, and it doesn't matter, okay? You don't need to know. The point is that whatever charge they get, okay, it's the same. So you would say that the granules all gain the same charge. And whether it's positive or negative, you don't know, it doesn't matter, okay? So what do you know about charges? Like charges repel. Okay, so positive repels positive and negative repels negative. Okay, so whether these are positive or negative, let's just say they're positive, I don't know, doesn't matter, then they're going to repel each other and spread out. 2 marks. All right, 2 marks. Yep. Okay, there we go. Nice little question. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.